Welcome to Photoshop Quick and Easy Tips to level up your design skills. Photoshop Tutorial, Beginner Series, Episode 2, Zoom and Navigation Shortcuts. Welcome back. In this episode, let's learn how to zoom in, zoom out, and navigate around your canvas with ease. Start with this. Hold Ctrl or Command and press the plus key to zoom in. Press Ctrl or Command and the minus key to zoom out. To zoom back out and fit your canvas to the screen, press Ctrl or Command plus 0. Need to move around your image while zoomed in? Just hold the spacebar. Your cursor turns into the hand tool, and now you can click and drag. Pro tip: scroll wheel zoom is great too. Just go to Edit Preferences, Tools, and check Zoom with Scroll Wheel. Super handy. Now you can zoom in on details and glide around your project like a pro. In the next episode, let's talk about the Move tool and Auto Select, two features that make arranging elements a breeze. Disclaimer: I'm not a Photoshop expert or certified instructor. All tutorials in this channel are based on my personal experience, learning, and practice. I share these tips to help fellow beginners like me. Please feel free to explore more and use what works best for you. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips.